Hi there, my name is Tlokwe and I'm a 25-year-old mover and shaker, a creative and a writer.
Hi, Mark here, I'm 25 years old.
Hi, I am Mike Mukwena. I am 25 years of age. I am an industrial engineer and I just recently took part in the I Am a Brand workshop.
Powerful and thought-provoking.
Really enlightening, and once again I got reignited to tap into my gifts and my talents and really ask the question, who am I?
It's very interactive and I really had so much fun while at the same time I learned so much.
The value of your brand. What makes your brand an ethical brand? That for me, it changed my view, it changed my life.
Are your actions in line with your values?
How important character is for one to actually fulfill their dream, for one to actually sustain their dream.
I definitely feel activated to build my personal brand. I know the types of brands that I want my name to be associated to.
This workshop allows us to dream about the future, and I'm so excited about what is to come.
I am definitely activated to build my personal brand. I mean, I'm gonna put this on my wall to remind myself each and every single morning what it is that I'm striving for.
My name is Tlokwe and I'm a brand.
My name is Mark Woods, and I am a brand.
My name is Mike Mukwena and I am a brand.